Have you ever felt tired, not in your body, but in your mind? Like no matter how much you sleep, you still feel overwhelmed, behind, and mentally exhausted. That's not laziness, that's mental overload. And here's the truth most people don't talk about. You don't need a new life, you just need a mental reset. Today we're talking about how to mentally reset your life this year. Not by running away, not by becoming someone else, but by clearing the mental noise that's holding you back. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, unmotivated, or emotionally drained, this video is for you. Let's reset properly. Now, what does a mental reset really mean? A mental reset isn't about quitting your life or starting over completely. It's about letting go of mental clutter, releasing emotional weight, redefining priorities, creating space for clarity. Think of it like restarting your phone. You don't delete everything, you just clear what's slowing it down. Your mind works the same way. So why do you feel mentally overloaded? Mental exhaustion usually comes from too much information, too much expectations, too much unfinished thoughts, too many shoulds, constant comparison, no mental boundaries. Your brain was never designed to process this much input constantly. So before you add new goals, you need to remove mental noise. Now let's get practical. Step 1, do a mental declutter. Let's start with the foundation. Take time to empty your mind. Ask yourself, what's constantly on my mind? What's draining my energy? What am I holding on to emotionally, and what am I avoiding? Write it down. Clarity comes from awareness because you can't reset what you can't recognize. Step 2, release what you can't control. A huge amount of mental stress comes from trying to control things you can't. Other people, past mistakes, future outcomes, opinions. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means conserving energy. Ask yourself, is this within my control right now? If not, release it. Your life depends on it. Step 3, reset your inner dialogue. Your mind listens to how you talk to yourself. If your inner voice is too critical, harsh, impatient, negative, your mind never rests. Start changing I'm behind to I'm learning. I'm failing to I'm improving. I'm not enough to I'm growing. Mental reset begins with mental kindness. Step 4, reduce mental input. You can't mentally reset while constantly consuming. Reduce mindless scrolling, negative content, information overload. Add silence, reflection, reading, intentional breaks, because your brain needs stillness to heal. Step 5, reconnect with yourself. When was the last time you checked in with yourself? Not your phone, not your tasks, not other people. You can connect with yourself by journaling, walking alone, reflecting, asking honest questions. You don't need answers immediately, you just need honesty. Step 6, redefine what matters. Mental stress often comes from chasing things that don't align with you. Ask yourself what actually matters to me right now. What am I doing out of pressure, and what can I wait, and what deserves my energy? Clarity reduces anxiety. Not everything deserves access to your mind. Step 7, create mental boundaries. Boundaries aren't just for people, they're for your mind. Set limits on how much you think about problems, how much you overanalyze, how much you compare yourself. Schedule worry, schedule rest, schedule thinking time. Contain your thoughts instead of letting them control you. Step 8, build simple daily reset habits. Mental reset isn't a one-time thing, it's daily. Simple habits, 5 minutes of silence, journaling one thought, breathing intentionally, short walks, gratitude. Small rest prevents burnout. So, you don't need to rush this year, you don't need to have everything figured out, you just need clarity, you need calm, you need mental peace. A mental reset isn't about becoming someone new, it's about returning to yourself. If you clear your mind, your direction will become clearer too. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more content focused on real growth, clarity, and balance. Remember, a calm mind is always a powerful one. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you on the next one.